Hello, Mr. Pigu.
Whoa, did you just talk?
Yes, we did. Enjoying the oxygen we make, our selfish friend?
Oh, me, selfish, why do you think so?
You never think about us?
What can I do for you? We give you oxygen all day. You could at least water us once in a day. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'll water you right now. Who gives you food? We make our food ourselves. When and how? During the day, in our leaves.
To make food we need carbon dioxide, water, and sunlight.
How do you do that?
To know more, let's zoom into photosynthesis.
Photosynthesis. Photo means light and synthesis
Let's build a tower. One by
means
one, they
putting
go
things
up.
together.
Look at the tower.
Photosynthesis together means putting things together with the help of sunlight. To make food, plants need carbon dioxide, water, sunlight, and chlorophyll. Leaves have chloroplasts that contain chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a green pigment that absorbs sunlight. Photosynthesis occurs inside leaves in chloroplasts that contain chlorophyll. Chlorophyll absorbs sunlight. Carbon dioxide enters the leaves through tiny holes called stomata. The roots absorb water from the soil. The water travels up through the stem and reaches the leaves. Chloroplasts take in carbon dioxide and water, absorb sunlight, and convert them into sugar and oxygen.
This is how we make food with carbon dioxide, water, and sunlight.
And give us oxygen.
Yes, we release oxygen for all living beings.
Time to water my tree. All done. Now for my swing. Whee, so fun! I hope you're happy now? Yes, of course. Friends, water the trees and plants around you. They give us oxygen, food, and shelter. I hope you learned something new today and found this video helpful. If you did, do like, share, and subscribe the channel. Bye-bye!